Hey guys, so we're camping today. We just got here about 2 hours ago. I didn't film that because we just got back from school and we had set up camp and everything. But now I got my new swimmers, amazing, and I'm about to go swimming. Broccoli glass. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so me and Ava jumped out of the water. Stop.
Sorry.
So me and Ava jumped out of the water
We're starting a
because it got
fire.
really late. And
Started a fire.
this is our fire.
It's a very old fire.
Oh, by the way, we're camping with Sahara
going
and
out.
Harry and not Brianna.
My
because she
sister's
isn't
not here. For once in my life, I'm actually
Oh
happy.
Jesus! And we've also got my uncle.
And at school.
Look
We
at that
need some
beautiful
more sticks to go
sunset.
get little stuff.
Oh, that one.
That's so beautiful.
Make sure there's no sand on it.
Yeah, so this is our fire, and then the adults' fire is over there.
They have better ones because they're more smarter.
I'm not. No.
So, yeah.
I'm smarter than they are.
Sorry,
Smarter.
smoke. So yeah. And by
You
the
know,
way,
one in my class,
so
he-
over here,
there was 6 tons.
so the one in the middle is mine and Ella's. The one on the left is Sahara's, and the big one is my mum and dad's and Ava's. That one near the big one. So that one there is Sam and Brett's, and that's Harry's. So yeah.
I just got something stabbing into my hand.
And I'm gonna be recording for 3 days if I can, if I have enough battery. Yeah.
You might use it on your camera.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this one.
Butter it out. Oh god, Jesus, I hate smoke.
I'm trying to get this big stick
So, yeah.
national fire.
Oi, if this smoke follows you, that means you're cute.
Yeah, I'm beautiful.
No, it means you're hot.
I'm hot. I'm a tiger. Yeah, so see you later. Hi guys. So yeah, I have this bright lights because you probably won't be able to see me, but I'll just do this.
Fire's working. Show the fire.
Oh yeah. We got the fire.
Burn my fingers.
We got the fire square.
My fingers taste like salt.
Ella is over
Ula.
the tent. Oh, sweet. You see me? Can you see me?
You can see.
Hey.
Fine. You're not black. Oh, that's racist. That's not racist. Zahara, shut up. Ow.
Yeah, so we're having sausages for dinner and then we're going to roast marshmallows later.
That hurt.
I'm getting sick. Well, I've been sick for the last few days.
I had tonsillitis the other week and a bug, which was twice as bad. So I had the whole.
Yeah.
I had 2 weeks off school.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know
So
why the
yeah,
teachers give
and on
suspensions.
Monday
I don't know
we
why people give suspensions because it's basically just a holiday off school.
get you get in trouble with your parents.
Yeah, that's it. But then again, most parents don't really care.
Well, my parents would, but if it was something stupid, they wouldn't really. Yeah, so we're talking about suspensions now.
If I got in trouble for punching somebody in the face because they were bullying my friend, they wouldn't care. Like,
Yeah, if I was like sticking up for someone, my parents wouldn't care either. My parents are awesome. Look,
that there with the other
it's
tree.
Ula.
Sit on my
Ula.
Ula is done. Oh, your legs are nice. You're nice.
So yeah, and tomorrow we're going on the biscuit, and yeah. Oh, and I have some pretty big news.
Tia, look at the sunset over there. It's like blue
Oh.
and orange.
Oh, it's so hot. Sorry if you can't see it, but it's really pretty.
This is like a
So yeah.
picture style.
So I have some big news, and I'm not telling you until next week. Hi guys, so we're roasting marshmallows now. Yeah, sorry if you can't see me, the light's blowing down. Yay, shine it over me, Sahara. You need the... Ow! Ow, 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 ow! What? Oh god. Ah! Ooh, ah,
That was bomb.
hot. I just got burnt by the fire. Fire hot. So we're roasting...
Notice it.
So we're roasting marshmallows now. Hey guys, so I've got a torch here, so sorry if it's bright. But we're down at the beach trying to look for glowworms. And it's a full moon, and I love full moons because it just rips out the tide, and look at it. Sorry if you can't see it. But look at that! I just wanted to like show you so badly. Honestly, this is just amazing. I'm sorry if you can't see this, but holy